Hey there, everybody. This is Bruce New Media, also known as Uncle Bruce. With the COVID-19 pandemic ripping through this economy, you'd think there's no good opportunities out there, right? Well, surprise. I found one that's taking off like a rocket ship, and it's an easy one to get on board and collect lots of marketing fees. Introducing Corona Cleaning Cash. Yes, it's all about the cleaning services business. You see them everywhere, and right now and for the foreseeable future, these local businesses are seeing their demand soar. The news media are filled with stories and evidence that commercial end of the business especially is booming. State and local governments are mandating that for businesses to reopen, they must maintain a cleaning and sanitizing schedule every week. Insurance companies are now making the same demands on many businesses also. Besides being the easiest route to getting the jobs done, using cleaning companies provides irrefutable evidence to authorities that the work was done. So obviously the cleaning companies will benefit, but how does a local marketing consultant benefit? Simple. Marketers like you and I can provide good leads for both commercial customers and for recruiting cleaning staff. We can guide these small firms to maximize their marketing and take full advantage of this growing demand. And it's a fact, not all cleaning firms will benefit equally. Many will barely scratch the surface of what's possible and miss a ton of new customers. Just because there's rising demand doesn't mean there's no competition. By the way, I know something about cleaning services as my sister started and ran one for 18 years. I even helped her get her first clients, made her flyers on my first PC, and moved her in the direction of commercial accounts and away from residential. Cleaning services are perfect for marketing consultants. They're easy to contact and have good margins. True, their prices are not all high, but the commercial sector charges anywhere from $500 to $5,000, depending on the time frame and the square feet. Businesses with pent-up demand can be excellent clients. It really pays to go where the heat is. That's what this opportunity is about. Just 5 cleaning companies can pay you $34,000 a year, and there are many cleaning firms in every town with new ones opening all the time. The low barrier to entry makes it an ideal business for ambitious people to start. Every one of these cleaning businesses can benefit from professional marketing help. Many are disrupted if a few clients leave, and most only know the most primitive ways to get new clients. While online marketing is absolutely necessary, these business owners have neither the time nor the experience to do internet marketing effectively. While large marketing firms will usually not work with smaller cleaning businesses, you and I are the perfect size to help them get more market share, especially now. Timing is everything in business. While no one can predict the future, we can all see with our own 2 eyes that commercial cleaning will be on everyone's lips for a long time. I'm proud to bring you a simple but proven approach to getting good clients without major hassles. Check out the list of marketing tools, social media tools, and a new $97 WordPress theme especially for cleaning services. It's all very affordable. I've priced it to where I can't see how you could say no. A new marketing package you can put into action tomorrow morning. Not just tools, but training and guidance. Here's your chance to join us. Scroll down the bottom of the page, click on the Buy Now button, and I look forward to working with you. Thank you.